Okay, so what we have here is three types of gun locks. We have the combination style gun lock. We have the keyed gun lock. And we have the cabled gun lock itself. So three styles. The one we'll demonstrate here is the keyed gun lock. And that simply releases with the key, comes apart. And with your weapon, you'll take the main shaft of the gun lock and go behind the trigger. And these are rubberized with a little bit of grippage there, so that will protect your gun trigger and the weapon itself from any kind of scuffing. But you place that on the shaft, and it just ratchets as tight as you want to push it. Then the key simply removes. So now your gun is safe, just being messed with by a child, and could protect them and others around as well. To release, simply put your key in, give it a turn, and it comes out.